In this problem, we want FCD and FCE. So CE we actually got from before in this problem, and FCD is this guy. So you want this one, and we'll make a cut there, and so we'll get that one too. So we make our cut here, and FCE, again, should make sure that it agrees, and it does. So we do force and moment balances on this guy. In the x direction, we have R2x, R1x. Those will cancel out actually. And then minus FBD minus the x component of FCD, and this triangle here is 1.5 meters by 2 meters, and then the hypotenuse is d2. So the x component is 2 over d2, and then the x component of FCE is FCE times 4 over d1 from the previous problem, from this triangle here. And in the y direction, we have R2y, and then the y components of these two guys, which are these, and again using our triangles from before. And then I took moments about g here, so this, and this go through g, so we get R2x times 2, FBD minus times 2, let's see here, the y component of FCD times this distance was 2 meters, and then the y component of CE, that should be, yeah, this should be CE, not CD. No, let's see here. This should be FCD, yeah, this should be, so this should be the y component of FCD, and this should be y component of FCE. Yeah. And that should be, let's see here, this should be D1. So FCE has, no. Let's see, what are we doing wrong here? That should not be here at all, should it? This should be gone. So we have this creates a moment, this creates a moment, and this creates a moment. FCE does not create a moment about point G. Not sure why I have that in there. I suspect I didn't put it into the computer when I had it solve these equations, because I got the answer that the book got. So this should equal 0. I can check that. Let's see here if we did that in the computer correctly. Let's see here. Problem 54. Let's see here. FCD. Oh, I know what I did. This was all right to begin with. Yeah. Because this load, bear with me here, this load also, its x component and its y component have moments about this guy. So this is the y component, and this is the x component. Okay, so this creates these two pieces to the moment. Alright, got that straightened out. I got myself confused there. So yep, this was originally correct as I had it. And again, 3 equations, 3 unknowns. You get FBD is 40 kilonewtons, FCD is 64.3 kilonewtons, and FCE is 92.1 kilonewtons, and again, we ought to check to make sure that it's the same as there, and that's true. So CE, let's see here, BD was 40, and over here we have FD is 91.4, so this one is more than this one again. So as we get closer to this restraint here, the torques, basically there needs to be going to be more and more larger and larger forces here to because the moment arms from these forces get bigger as we get closer to this pin or this joint here. So it makes sense that this is smaller than this, and I would expect that this would be a larger compressor value than this if we were asked to calculate that.